Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Mikey here. Look, today we're going to be talking about the Sigma 16mm lens f1.4 on the Sony a6400. I'm currently recording this introduction on the Sigma 16mm lens, the new purchase I got from Allen's Cameras. I will link them in the description below. I was very pleased with their customer service and how fast they got my lens to me. This is not a sponsored video, but anytime that I have a good customer experience, I'm definitely going to tell other people about it. So let's hop into the video talking about the Sigma 16mm lens, and let's start right now. So right away, I bought the Sony a6400 a couple months ago. Very pleased with the camera, and it came with the kit lens. It's just a little 3.5mm lens. And it did its job for me when I stream. Also, I stream over on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/Garza_205. Come over, hang out with us. I have a great community. It's good vibes. We play a multitude of games, and I would love for you to be a part of it. And just come over and hang out and watch me be the anchor for my team, because I'm the anchor. Anyways, continue. So I was struggling a little bit with the quality of my videos. Like the kit lens, yes, it did great, but I was having to use like a solar flare for lighting. The quality was just not what I wanted it to be with the kit lens, and I'm about to show you difference in quality from the Sigma 16mm lens to the kit lens that came with the camera. Granted, the kit lens is fine. It did what I wanted it to do for the time being, until I was able to get a better lens, and now I'm better equipped to shoot more quality video. We're going to swap lenses, so just bear with me for just a second, and we'll show you the difference between the kit lens. Focus. There we go. Kit lens and the Sigma 16mm lens. Did you see how it just autofocused like that? Oh my god, it's incredible. Anyways, all right, so I left the settings like they are with the Sigma, and you can tell that it is definitely a low light lens. It's a wider angle, so let me fix the ISO on it so we can get some better light exposure here. Bring this into there. Okay, all right, so right away we're at 3.5 aperture, which is the lowest setting for the kit lens. We don't have as much of a bokeh effect in the background, but we got a little bit of a bokeh effect, and it's not a wider angle like the Sigma is. Right away, I could tell a huge difference in the quality, because I mean this lens is not really made for low light. You gotta have good quality light, or you gotta really jack up the ISO on the camera. But anyways, I just wanted to show you the difference in quality between the kit lens and the Sigma 16mm lens that I purchased. And we're going to switch back. This is top quality. Right away, I noticed I'm going to have to buy a more heavy-duty tripod for my camera. I'm actually using my desk mount right now that I use for streaming to record this, because this camera was a little bit heavier than the kit lens, and it collapsed my tripod straight down to my desk. I thought it was about to be tragic. I was like, oh my god, I just got this lens. If it's break it, no, don't do that. But anyways, right away I could tell this was more of a quality lens than what I purchased. That came with the Sony a6400. It's got this thing that prevents, I don't really know what it's called. I'm kind of new to the whole lens scene, but I do know it prevents the glare when you're outside, so that's a nice little good feature to it. But anyways, we're going to switch back to the Sigma 16mm lens, and I'm going to show you the difference from this to this. It's a huge difference. I can tell a huge difference because there's more of a blurred background. That's the bokeh effect. It's a little bit of a wider angle too, so I can get like more of my room. It's during the fall. We've got a fall theme going in the background. I thank my lovely wife for that. She did all this decoration back here. It's incredible. I did the lights though. Anyways, but yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video talking about the lens that I got, and If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. If you do like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and turn the bell notifications on so you'll be notified when I post more content like this. And again, I stream on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/Garza_205. We play a multitude of games. I have a wonderful community. Also link my Discord in the description below. Feel free to join my community. Find some people that you want to play games with and interact with me. But anyways, thank you so much, and I will catch you on the next one.